In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the HubSpot plugin in WordPress and add a HubSpot form to a page. To get started, open your WordPress admin dashboard in a separate Chrome tab. Keeping it open in its own tab makes the process smoother because you can move between plugin settings and page editing without losing your place. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the left-hand menu and go to Plugins, then select Add New. This is where you can search the WordPress plugin library and install new tools directly into your site. In the search bar, type HubSpot. When the HubSpot plugin appears in the results, click Install Now. Give WordPress a few moments to download and install everything. This plugin connects your WordPress site with your HubSpot workspace and makes it possible to place HubSpot forms directly into your pages using the block editor. After the installation finishes, click Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you'll be prompted to log into your linked HubSpot workspace portal. Follow the on-screen login prompt to complete the connection. Make sure you sign in to the correct workspace so the right forms are available later when you insert them into your page. If the connection is successful, WordPress and HubSpot will now be linked, allowing you to use HubSpot features inside your site. Next, navigate to the page editor in WordPress using the block editor. Open the page where you want the form to appear, or go to the appropriate page editor screen where you'll be making the update. Inside the editor, insert the HubSpot form block. If you don't see it right away, use the block search feature to find it quickly. Once the block is added, look for the drop-down selector and choose your designated form name from the list. This step is important since the selected form determines exactly what your visitors will see and submit on the page. Take a quick moment to confirm you've chosen the correct form before moving on. When everything looks right, publish the page. If you're editing an existing page, you may be updating rather than publishing for the first time, but the goal is the same. Save the change so the form appears live on your website. After that, it's a good idea to view the page on the front end and confirm the form displays properly. And that's it. You've successfully installed HubSpot in WordPress and added a HubSpot form to your page.